Alright, so we got a CN train heading eastbound here at Beaconsfield. Yeah, baby! We got him to play ball. That's kind of rare too. They don't want to do it here in the suburbs. I'm here with Elton on a Saturday afternoon, 17th of February 2024. It's effing cold, but it's sunny. So we got a sunny train here. And I can't really get the other angle because the sun is too low. It's always better on this side. Hey, is there one coming on the other side? Is there a train on the other side? No way.
I'm gonna check. We don't want to.
I was hoping there would be one coming the other way too. Every now and then that happens, but probably not. We're not gonna get that lucky. Yeah, it's about what? 2:35, I guess, p.m. Well, at least I got one train today. Hello? Oh, that's the DPU. It's a long one. And there's the bridge at St Charles Blvd here at Beaconsfield. Yeah. That's the end of the train right there. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Cool.